sorry that I've been so distant. You know, I've just been so obsessed with taking down Proctor. I never meant to shut you out. He's everywhere. You know, I worked with the Kanaho to try to get this new casino built, and now he has his hands in that too.
That's the hotel. And on the northern side will be the casino.
That's why Long Shadow wanted you killed?
Yeah.
So now what?
Well, I could just get rid of Alex, but that would create a power vacuum within the tribe, and there's no telling who would take over. Better let Alex understand who his friends are.
And how do we do that?
We could start with a phone call. You just hit send.
Hello? Anyone here?
Well, I guess we'll have to settle for leaving a message.
I'll take these wings and fly away. I'll take these. I'll take these wings and